This is a rich land in southeastern China, neighboring the sea with powerful wind resource. Located in one of the maritime Silk Road core areas, benefiting from the funneling with the monsoon and Taiwan Straits, Fujian has the especially rich maritime wind energy resources. The wind energy utilization time ranks number 1 in China as the endowed regional advantage. In order to implement the new development concept of innovation, coordination, environmental protection, opening, and sharing, in June 2015, Fujian Fuchuan Investment Ltd, a holding subsidiary of Fujian Shipbuilding Industry Group Company Limited, emerges as the times require. Closely following the group company's development strategy of mountain and sea linkage, blue and green dream, the company is vigorously developing the whole industry chain of offshore wind power, covering from R&D, manufacturing, construction to operation and maintenance. Following the trend of new energy development relying on the advantage of shipbuilding and marine equipment manufacturing and integrating resources from all aspects, the company, based in Fujian, impacting surrounding areas and aiming the world, is devoted to make FFIC into the most competitive investment operation and control company of offshore wind power whole industry chain along southeastern coast of China, so as to boost the offshore wind power industry together with the blue and green dream of FSIGC. FFIC owns the subsidiaries of Fujian Province Xinneng Offshore Wind Power R&D Center Company Limited, Fujian Fuchuan Ifan New Energy Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited, REC Fuchuan Oceaneering Company Limited, and Fujian Offshore Wind Operation and Maintenance Service Company Limited. Sci-tech innovation is the prime driving force for energy development. Thanks to the staunch support of National Energy Administration and Fujian Development and Reform Commission, Fujian Province Xinneng Offshore Wind Power R&D Center Company Limited, by building the 3 platforms of the R&D Center, the Testing Center, and the Authentication Center, strove for technological breakthroughs in all fields of offshore wind power in Fujian and provided technical support and services for the government and enterprises investing in offshore wind power projects. So far, the R&D Center has acquired dozens of patents, taken charge of, or participated in the establishment. Those aiming high must be very broad and thoughtful. To gain significant development for China's offshore wind power industry, the enhancement of equipment manufacturing is a necessity. Fujian Fuchuan Ifan New Energy Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited is the only equipment manufacturer in Fujian which has the capacity of producing and transporting wind turbine towers and whole-set steel members, seizing 80% share in Fujian's wind power market and having domestic and overseas partners of famous wind power developers and main wind turbine generator manufacturers. The company takes up an area of 590,000 square meters, drawing an investment of 1.3 billion yuan recently, mainly for building 5,000 tonnage reshipment wharf, light or heavy tower, and other 20 steel production lines. It has the ability of producing wind turbine towers, transition sections, single tubular piles, jackets, and booster stations, with the annual production of wind power steel products reaching 200,000 tons. Since its founded in 2015, nearly 100,000 tons of steel members, like onshore and offshore wind turbine towers, have been delivered, and it's participated in the fields of steel manufacturing of nuclear power, chemical engineering module, and pressure vessel. Offshore wind power industry in China is still at the initial stage, and the current level of construction equipment and technologies restrict the development of offshore wind power industry. The REC Fuchuan Oceaneering Company Ltd, subordinated to FFIC, is seeking new growth points with new energies by integrating the strength of FSIGC in the R&D and manufacturing of offshore equipments, the top marine construction ability of REC, and the powerful capital support of China Three Gorges Corporation into the field of offshore wind power project construction. The company owns two independent intellectual property rights jackup wind turbine installation platform vessels, which equipped with world-advanced 1,000-ton LECs and hydraulic pressure plug-pin jacking systems. The vessel also boasts the ability of transportation and installation of integrated and split offshore wind turbines, thus managing to break the technical bottlenecks for offshore wind power engineering construction and meet the construction requirements in complicated sea conditions of the Taiwan Straits, and featuring wide adaptability to short-term and long-term offshore wind power development. Its elevating capacity and working area on deck have ranked top among domestic platform vessels in operation, with its comprehensive capacity taking the first place and achieving a world-advanced level. Wind power operation and maintenance, as an important step in offshore wind power industry development, makes up the foundation for ensuring smooth operation of offshore wind turbines. Fujian Offshore Wind Operation and Maintenance Service Company Ltd is a company specialized in offshore wind power operation and maintenance services invested in and held by FFIC and co-built with the listed company Fujian Yongfu Power Engineering Company Ltd and professional technical teams. The company learns advanced ideas and experience in offshore wind power operation and maintenance of 3 decades from Europe. It's committed to integrated modern service fields like offshore wind power operation and maintenance and transportation, operation and maintenance technologies, safety training and supporting bases, devoted to be the most competitive third-party operation and maintenance service providers in China and the Far East area. By building a wind power informatization big data platform that integrates operation and maintenance technologies, centralized dispatching, comprehensive monitoring and data integration, and introducing the advanced ideas and technologies from European operation and maintenance vessels to develop and build high-performance vessel which adapts to the needs of the China Sea. With effective operation and maintenance of the wind power plant, integrated solutions to offshore wind power operation and maintenance can be provided to customers. A long wind will break the heavy waves someday, and will set our sails straightly and cross a cloudy deep sea. By the implementation of new energy industry planning, FFIC has completed supporting arrangements for the whole industry chain of offshore